How to delete your Plex account. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, we are going to learn how you can permanently delete your Plex account in just a few simple steps. Before proceeding, make sure that deleting your Plex account will permanently remove your personal data, libraries, and settings, so make sure you have made a wise choice. If you're sure you'd like to delete the account, then launch Open Plex application on your device, and once you're inside the home page logged in, go to the top right corner and tap on your name initial. From the expanded menu, click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, click on Account at the top, and then at the very bottom you will see the Delete Account button. Tap on it, and then to confirm the account deletion, enter your password for your Plex account in the text box. Remember, once the account is deleted, you will not be able to use the same username or email for a month. So make sure you are trying to delete your account for sure. After typing down your password, click the Delete Account button, and then this will permanently delete your account and all of its data. Any active Plex subscription that are billed through the platform will be cancelled, but any subscription billed through the App Store or Play Store will not be cancelled. It must be cancelled through the App Store or Play Store if required. So that is how you can easily delete your Plex account in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.